it's an exciting day. I just received my Dowell printer, that's I believe in this box here, and some filaments. So I don't have any affiliation with Dowell. I, like anyone else, just bought it online. I ordered it back on March 16th. On April 10th, I got a video of my printer fully assembled and doing a test print. It's June 18th today, and I just received it. I'm super excited to see what's in this box. It took about 16 hours from the time I started opening the crates until it was able to complete its first print, this little Banshee, which was kind of a silly thing to print on a printer with a 1.6 meter by 1 meter print bed. Now I look forward to optimizing it and doing some much larger and more fun